Hi, I'm Megan, the Chief Business Officer at Cumulus. As a West Point graduate and Army veteran, I've seen firsthand the value that military lessons and principles can have when used in everyday life. For example, the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is make my bed. It's the very first task I accomplish each day and encourages me to accomplish more as the day goes on. But military lessons and principles can be even more valuable when applied to the business world. One great way that businesses can apply a military principle is by using the OODA loop. The OODA loop is a process that was originally developed by U.S. Air Force Colonel John Boyd in the mid-20th century. It's used as a training tactic to help make smarter decisions in environments where every second counts. Soldiers are able to process information faster than their opponents and gain the upper hand in high-stakes situations. So you may be wondering, what is the OODA loop? The best way to explain what it is by breaking down the 4 phases in this framework. Number 1, observe. The first step is to identify the problem and examine the current system by collecting objective quality and productivity data. Number 2, orient. The data is then put into context by analyzing the current outputs and measuring them against overall business objectives. Number 3, decide. The decision phase prepares for action by formulating a data-driven roadmap. And number 4, act. Action is taken with progress objectively evaluated against the preset objectives. So, when should the OODA loop be applied? Because the OODA loop was first used to make fast decisions when lives were at stake, it is best applied when some sort of external force is threatening to disrupt your business practices. For example, this could be a market trend that is quickly shifting consumer preferences, or a competitor that is threatening to overtake you in a certain category. Because of the current push toward digital transformation across all industries, implementing new technologies to gain a competitive edge is the perfect way to apply the OODA loop. For more information, check out our blog post, which is linked in the description. Thanks for watching.